If you want to unlock the Steam Community Marketplace, here's what you need to do. First, open Steam and move your cursor over the Community tab, then click Market. If your account isn't eligible yet, Steam will show you the requirements needed to unlock the Community Marketplace. To gain access, your Steam account must have made a purchase of at least $5 or the equivalent in your local currency within the last 12 months. In addition, 7 days must pass after that purchase before the marketplace becomes available. For example, if you buy a game today that costs more than $5, you'll need to wait 7 days for Steam to verify the purchase. Once the waiting period is over and your qualifying purchase was made within the past year, the Steam Community Marketplace will be unlocked automatically. After it's unlocked, you'll be able to buy and sell eligible in-game items directly through the Steam Community Marketplace. That's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.